ballpark hot dogs. Toothpicks. We're going to take the kids to the fair and have corn dogs. Corn dogs. Hey, what? What y'all see here? Pancake mix. Mix it in a bowl. Get it real smooth. Get it real smooth. And then you got your ballpark hot dogs, 3, cut into half. So it makes 6. Good for the kiddos, right? And then we have our grease heating up. And we're going to fry and make corn dogs. On a budget! You could bring Stay Fair to your home. Okay, time to fry. Hopefully the grease is ready. Pancake mix. Stir it up. Hot dogs, is you ready? You don't have to have stir. You can use toothpicks, y'all. Just put it all Louis body. Yeah. Yeah, make sure it's covered. And we're going to fry it. Make sure it's covered. And we finna fry it. Whip it around like a whip appeal. Throw it in the fryer. If you have a deep fryer, even better. But you know what? Since I'm ghetto, I like to use my hand, y'all. Oh, yeah. It's for the babies. You can make your own. You can make your own corn dogs, y'all. That's simple. The kids will love you. Like, what? Corn dogs? Not store-bought, but made. A little bit, because, you know, you have to buy the hot dogs. But get some good hot dogs. Don't get no cheap hot dogs, y'all. Get the ballparks. Get some Nathans. But don't give them that cheap stuff now. We already cheating, y'all. See that? We already cheating, so. Do the babies right. Do the babies right. Turn around. Drop it. One more. We got 6. We're going to do 6. Which it was 3 hot dogs. And we made 6 out of them. With toothpicks. They're like, I don't have no stirs. Whatever they call them. Like that. And they frying. You got to keep swimming them up in there, baby. It's how golden they getting. You gotta keep rolling. Because they be want to stay on one side, baby. We ain't staying on one side. We cooking here, baby. We cooking babies corn dogs. Oh, yes, we are. You have your ketchup, your mustard, or whatever. But I'll show you. But that's all you have to do. Because remember, we already bought the hot dogs. We're just getting this crispy. Crispy. On a budget. And your kids will be happy with this sweet, delicious out-coating. Okay. We finna do something new. Let's try these pancake bites. Pancake bites.